Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to show you how to set up two-factor authentication. It's a quick guide to help you secure your accounts better. So make sure to watch till the end, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's dive in. Thanks for tuning in. What is two-factor authentication? It's an extra layer of security for your online accounts. Besides your password, you'll need a second piece of information. This could be a code sent to your phone, a fingerprint scan, or a hardware token. This extra step makes it harder for hackers to access your accounts. Why do you need two-factor authentication? Think about all the sensitive information you have online. Emails, bank accounts, social media profiles. If someone gets your password, they can access all this information. Two-factor authentication adds a barrier, making it harder to breach your accounts. Don't just rely on your password. Take that extra step to protect your information. Let's set up two-factor authentication. Go to the security settings of your account. Find the two-factor authentication option and follow the instructions. Download an authentication app like Google Authenticator or Authy. Enter the codes along with your password. It's that simple, and there you have it. An extra layer of security for your accounts. Choose your authentication method. Options include text message codes, authentication apps, or security calls. Each has its benefits, so choose what suits you best. Choose your preferred method, then enable two-factor authentication in your account settings. Navigate to the security section and toggle the option. It's straightforward and you'll be guided through each step. After enabling two-factor authentication, verify your identity. Ensure only you have access. Enter the verification code. If everything matches, you're set. And that's it. You've set up two-factor authentication, adding extra security to your account. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.